Alright, so I've opened Design Space now, and I'm just gonna pull up the file that I already made. So this one here, just gonna say customize and open the file up and see if I have my measurements in there correct. Just takes a while here. Alright, so let's just make this bigger. Right, so this one here, I actually created this, and then this font, it says vintage. I got that off of thefont.com. This is just for personal use. I'm not going to be selling this shirt. It's just for my husband. He's having a birthday soon, so I thought I'd make him a shirt. And this is my first time making a shirt, so let's try that. So this design measures 8 inches ish. Okay, and then I am going to be cutting this in white HTV iron-on, and the shirt would be black. So let's just go ahead and say make it. Yeah, I've done the attaching and everything else already. I just wanted to make sure that nothing is missed. That's why I did that off camera. And now it's because this is iron-on, I have to click on mirror. Okay, and then I've set my mat, like the HTV is actually placed under the 1 inch mark. So I'm just gonna put that under here. And then, yeah, looks like I'm still good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue. No. Okay, and it's just gonna look for my Explorer. Okay, so now it's gonna be asking for my, I'm just gonna pick everyday iron-on for this one here. And it's reminding me to make sure that mirror is on, which I did. Okay, and now I have to load my material. Alright, and then now cut. Alright, so I'll just let this finish cutting and then I'll be back when it's time for weeding. Okay, so it finished cutting. You can see right there. I don't know if you can see actually, but there's a bit of spacing on this side and here that I'm gonna try and cut off first before I actually go ahead and weed this, because I'm trying to save as much vinyl as I could, because these guys are expensive actually. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are now. I was able to remove parts of it. Like I said, I wanted to save the vinyl. If I could, then I really would cut that, because these buggers are actually expensive. So okay, but I do find that weeding the HTV is actually a lot easier than the regular vinyls. At least that's what I find. But yeah, this is relaxing actually, just to peel it off like that. And this is actually sped up just because I was really gentle about it. And like I said, this is my first time actually creating or making a shirt, so I just wanted to make sure that I'm, not messing it up. And yeah, this is so nice. You can really tell that I'm a beginner with this, because see, other Cricut people who are used to doing this are doing the small parts, weeding out the small parts first. But me, of course, I had to do it differently, just because that's how I roll. But yeah, this I left this out here because I know that I myself actually like to watch weeding. So that's why I left it here for you to enjoy. All right. All right. So here is the shirt. I've actually measured it already, and it's about, get my measuring tape here. So it's about 4 inches from the top there, and then the sides are about 6 inches on both sides. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm just warming up my heat press mini. I only have a mini, I don't have the big ass ones, so I'm gonna try and make this work. Alright, so according to the heat guide for the Cricut heat press guide, I'm supposed to be doing this for 25 seconds, but since my, on constant movement, but since my design is actually a bit bigger than what they actually had on the website, I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball it to how long I need it to warm up. It did say constant movement, so that's what I'm just doing here. And I actually added parchment paper on top. And this is how it turned out. I am really happy about this. I was so excited about this one. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, and it turned out really well. I am happy about this one here, and I hope my husband will like it too. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.